Hello, welcome back. Happy Saturday. So today is April 2nd. I went out on a brunch date with the hubby. This is one of the sweatsuits that I had. I'm so sorry, y'all. That is the phone notification. I am so sorry. But this is one of the sweatsuits that I got. And I went out for brunch with the hubby. Today is Saturday, April 2nd. So I hope you thumbs up this video and stay tuned if you want to know what's in this bag right here. And I got a small little Burlington haul too, so stay tuned. So now, let me show you what it got. Let me show you what it got. So I purchased this. And yes, I use my coupons. So this is one item. The candles are on sale, but I didn't buy none because my kids break them. This, excuse me, this smells so good. Oh. Yes, I have this one. The top must have fell off. This is their new scent. I have this one as well. I have this lotion. It's a sale. Y'all know it's always a sale, but they sent me a coupon, so I use my coupon as well. This one smells good. You need this in your collection. Trust me. This one smells good too. This one right here is a nighttime scent, but it smells so good. Now, I know if you see my other videos, you see I buy enough soap. For me to have purchased this, when I tell you this is, have you smelling yummy, baby? My husband was like, baby, you got to get that. You grab that. That right there, that's the scent. I also picked up this one. And I picked up this one. I picked up this one. If you know, you know. I love a good coconut scent. And then I picked up that one. And then I had to get a lip gloss. Play with your mammies, don't play with me. This was a free gift. So you should have your coupons. This was my free gift. And then I got these 3 bars of soap for my husband. Because I like my man to smell good. So, that is it for Bath and Body Works. And now I'm about to show you what I got in Burlington. And I know when you see this video, you want to say, you having a whole bag sale and wig sale. And you went out and you did that. But wait till you hear the price though. Then you're gonna be like, okay, I probably would have did it too. But if not, go fight and argue with your mama. I'm sorry. If your mama passed away, I'm not talking for you. But if you think you're gonna come on my channel and judge me and my spending habits, mind your business. Because you don't pay for them. Not a thing. So, let me show you what I got from Burlington Coat Factory. So, when I walked in, I was in the bag section. They have bags on sale. And me, I'm into handbags. Don't matter the size. If I like it, I like it. I am going to purchase. And I picked up a cutie. So this is a DKNY bag. It is a leather small tote. This bag was $49.99 red tag. So I got it. And wasn't too much of a difference, but this is the tassels on the bag. I'm gonna show you what it look like. It's brand new. So y'all see that? And then you have this compartment right here. And then I think I'll be wearing it like this, because I think it's cute for a date night, brunch. But baby, I grabbed her under 100, and I recommend her. That's all I'm gonna say. And this is something I didn't put in my other haul, but I'm gonna show you. This is a, sorry, can't see that. Be all up in my business. This is a Louis Vuitton dupe. It comes with the crossbody strap, but I have it. It's packed up, packed away. I brought this off of Amazon for $20. I don't know if I can find the link, but if not, I will screenshot it if you ask me the brand in the comments, or I will DM the name to you. This bag was $20, and it is cute. This is the front. It's a little opening pouch right there. Then you have this, which right now I just have my wallet in it, and you see? So, and I brought this bag because it's a cute little wristlet, on the move, on the go, out with whoever. Cute brunch bag, just anything, and it's very, very minimal. Something I need being a mom on the go. So that's why I invested in that. But now back to this video. So this is a PJ gown. This is a pajama haul. So that's item number 1. Don't talk about my mood, and I won't talk about yours. Okay? Okay. And so, this is item number 2. This was... This price was $14.99. This one was $8.99. This is a 3-piecer. So this is the top and some shorts. And this is a robe. And it was $20. This is a short set, and it was $8.99. And then this is a short set. And that is it for this little small haul. I hope you enjoyed. Thumbs it up. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to try and catch this Bath & Body Works sale online, in store. Let me know. And until our next video, stay blessed, not stressed. Later, my loves.